In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Twitter verification code not received on Twitter. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, make sure you are using the latest version of your Twitter app. For that, open your Play Store, search for the app Twitter, update if any update is available. You can see that mine is up to date. Now the second thing you have to do is just clear the cache of your messaging and Twitter app. For that, long press on your Twitter, tap on the option App Info. At the bottom you can see this option of Clear Data, tap on it. Tap on the option Clear Cache, tap on OK. Now go back, long press on your messaging app, tap on App Info. Scroll down, you can see this option of Clear Data, tap on it. Tap on Clear Cache, tap on OK. Also, what you have to do is head towards App Permissions option, open it. Go to the option SMS, make sure it is set to allow. Now the other thing you can do is just reboot your phone. It will also help to solve your problem. In this way, by applying all these tips, you can fix Twitter verification code not received. At the end, if your problem is solved, make sure to like the video, subscribe and comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.